The future of AI in biotechnology, balancing potential with risks. The future of artificial intelligence in biotechnology is one of the most fascinating and transformative areas of development in the 21st century. With AI's rapid advancement, we're seeing breakthroughs that could redefine healthcare, agriculture, and even the way we understand life itself. But alongside this progress comes a series of challenges that demand careful thought. Today, let's dive into this intriguing future, balancing the incredible possibilities with the potential risks and exploring what it means for humanity. AI in biotechnology is already showing incredible potential. Let's start with medicine. Developing new drugs has traditionally been a slow and expensive process, often taking more than a decade and billions of dollars to bring a single treatment to market. AI is changing that dramatically. By using machine learning algorithms, researchers can analyze vast data sets to identify potential drug candidates in a fraction of the time. For instance, during the COVID-19 pandemic, AI played a critical role in accelerating the discovery of vaccine candidates and identifying effective antiviral compounds. Companies like In Silico Medicine and DeepMind are leveraging AI to predict protein structures and find promising drug targets, which could transform how we treat diseases like Alzheimer's and cancer. In addition to drug development, AI is making diagnostics faster and more accurate. Take pathology, for example. AI-powered systems can analyze medical images with incredible precision, detecting signs of cancer, cardiovascular disease, and other conditions that human doctors might miss. This not only improves accuracy, but also reduces the workload on healthcare professionals. Google's DeepMind recently unveiled an AI model that can predict kidney injury 48 hours before symptoms appear. Such advancements have the potential to save millions of lives every year. But AI's influence extends far beyond medicine. In the field of agriculture, it is enabling biotechnologists to create crops that are more resilient to climate change, pests, and diseases. For instance, AI-driven gene editing using CRISPR technology allows scientists to enhance plants' resistance to drought or increase their nutritional value. This is especially crucial in the face of global challenges like population growth and food security. Now, let's talk about synthetic biology. This cutting-edge field, powered by AI, allows scientists to engineer organisms with entirely new functions. For example, researchers are designing bacteria that can clean up oil spills, generate biofuels, or even produce medicines inside the human body. In 2022, a team at Stanford used AI to optimize the genetic circuits in synthetic organisms, opening the door to programmable biology. Imagine a world where microorganisms could produce renewable energy or clean polluted environments at scale. It's no longer just science fiction. But with all this progress, there are significant challenges and risks we can't ignore. One of the biggest concerns is ethical. The ability to edit genes with AI assistance raises questions about how far we should go in altering life. While curing genetic diseases is a noble goal, where do we draw the line? Should we use AI to enhance human abilities, like intelligence or physical strength? If so, who decides what's acceptable? Another concern is the potential misuse of these technologies. Bioweapons designed with AI-enhanced biotechnology are a terrifying prospect. Imagine a scenario where malicious actors create a pathogen targeted at specific populations. The very tools that could save millions of lives might also be used to cause unimaginable harm. This is why global regulation and oversight are so important as these technologies evolve. Then there's the issue of inequality. While AI-driven biotech has the potential to democratize healthcare and make treatments more accessible, there's a risk that these innovations will only benefit wealthy nations or individuals. If new drugs and therapies remain prohibitively expensive, they could widen the gap between the haves and have-nots, rather than closing it. Bias in AI algorithms is another problem that could have dire consequences. If the datasets used to train AI systems are incomplete or skewed, the resulting decisions could disproportionately harm certain groups. For example, diagnostic tools might work better for people of one ethnicity than another, simply because the data used to train the AI was unbalanced. Ensuring diversity and fairness in these datasets is not just a technical challenge, it's a moral imperative. Despite these risks, it's important to focus on the tremendous good that AI and biotechnology can achieve when used responsibly. For instance, AI could help us achieve precision medicine on a global scale. Imagine a world where every person's treatment is tailored to their unique genetic makeup, lifestyle, and environment. This would not only make treatments more effective, but could also prevent diseases before they even occur. AI could also play a pivotal role in combating climate change through biotechnology. By engineering microbes to capture carbon dioxide or designing plants that sequester more carbon, we could develop new tools to mitigate global warming. These innovations are urgent as we face escalating environmental crises. Moreover, the democratization of biotechnological tools powered by AI could inspire a new generation of scientists and entrepreneurs. With open-source platforms and affordable technologies, more people could participate in solving global challenges, from healthcare to environmental restoration. To ensure that these advancements are beneficial, we must act now. Governments, corporations, and research institutions need to collaborate on establishing ethical guidelines and regulations. Transparency is key. People need to understand how these technologies work and how decisions are made. Public education will be critical to building trust and ensuring that everyone can share in the benefits of AI-driven biotech. As we look to the future, it's clear that AI and biotechnology are on a trajectory to profoundly change our world. The risks are real, and we can't afford to ignore them. But the potential benefits, saving lives, restoring ecosystems, feeding a growing population, are simply too great to pass up. The choices we make today will determine whether these tools become a force for good or a source of division and harm. In the end, the future of AI and biotechnology is not just about technology. It's about us, our values, our priorities, and our willingness to work together for the greater good. Let's approach this future with caution, but also with hope. Because when we get it right, the possibilities are truly limitless.